What's up, gentlemen? So, true story. Before I met my wife, I was internet dating, and I met this girl. We went out like 3 or 4 times, and I was going over to pick her up for a date, right? And I'm like, yo, I gotta pee. And so I go up, I knock on the door, I'm like, hey, I'm here. And she's like, okay, I'm ready. I'm like, wait, can I go in and pee? And she's like, well, can you just hold it? Hold it? No, I'll just be a second, real quick. And so I go into her bathroom. Oh, it hit me in the face. It was so disgusting. It was like hot and warm and fresh. It stunk, but I'm thinking, okay, Alpha, be cool. Everybody craps. No big deal. Just go to the bathroom, and she's probably already embarrassed. I flip up the toilet seat, and that's when I saw it. A little green turd that looked like a pickle, just kind of like bobbing there in the water. And I was like, oh, like if the smell wasn't bad enough, the visual representation of that green little pickle totally turned me off, and it was a deal breaker. I broke up with her 2 days later. Am I shallow? Maybe. I realize that everybody drops a deuce, but the fact is that it was just, there was something about the smell combined with the pickle that totally turned me off. And so today, gentlemen, in an attempt to help you not turn her off, I'm going over how to poop around your girl without letting her know. There are 3 aspects that you need to control. Number 1 is the noise. Number 2 is the graphic evidence. And number 3 is the smell. In terms of the noise, you've got really a few options. Some guys like to run the water. Turn the water on, let it run, background noise, thinking that this background noise of the water running is going to drown out your terrible toots. Unfortunately, it will not. In my opinion, a much better option is to try and time it. You know there's going to be some explosive gas, right? Time a courtesy flush. The third option is what I call ask her a question. You've got to yell, because typically she's going to be in the other room, and if you don't want her to hear this, you can yell louder. Be like, Janice, are you ready to go? Right? And she's going to be like, what? Be like, nothing, never mind. And you can finish your business. It's just long enough to distract her from hearing what's going on. Second embarrassing issue with going to the bathroom around your girl is the graphic evidence. Skid marks. Right? Because you know that sometimes those little bastards are tough. You flush like 5 times, but they just won't go away. And so you know what you got to do. When the water goes down, you grab some toilet paper and you go in and you try not to touch anything, but ultimately your hand gets nasty. And then you wash your hands, attempting to remove the smell and odor of crap. And typically it works pretty well. But if you're saying to yourself, Alpha, there's got to be a better way. Gentlemen, there is. It's all about a little pre-pooping preparation. It involves you taking a little bit of toilet paper, folding it up, and then place the toilet paper in the bottom of the bowl. Boom, it hits the toilet paper, preventing the poop from hitting the porcelain. But now let's talk about the most important and embarrassing and disgusting aspect of pooping, which is the smell. In all of my years of analysis and research, I've only come up with one surefire solution to preventing the odor from happening, and that is the DEUCE, the incredible new toilet deodorizing spray by Pete Pedro. This stuff is a game changer. It's also the best on the market, in my opinion. Here's how you use it, right? You're like all of a sudden feeling a rumble in the jungle. You're like, yo, sweetness, I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom. You go to the bathroom, you grab your DEUCE, you flip up the seat. 1, 2, 3. Then sit down and do your business. And the way that this stuff works is pretty amazing. DEUCE contains an incredible blend of amazing oils like lemon, thyme, peppermint. The list goes on and on and on. Business, boom, splashes down, right? And what happens is this splashdown or agitation of the amazing oils in DEUCE emits this incredible, amazing aroma. Not too overpowering like all those like toilet sprays that stink and everybody's like, yo, Jimmy just dropped a bomb. Not with DEUCE, because of the mild, amazing aroma of all the botanicals. And what happens is this film then traps everything down below, so all that stink, all that odor can't escape. Zero smell of crap. This stuff works so incredibly well, it's going to blow your mind. This is a must-have for every single one of you. Guys, there's a link down below to Pete and Pedro. I will link to DEUCE down below. It's the newest product in the line, and it is going fast. This stuff is probably going to sell out fairly fast, but go hit that link and enter that discount code to grab one or possibly dose, because this is also travel size. So you can take it on the road, take it on the go, or keep one in multiple bathrooms. Guys, DEUCE is incredible. If you are crapping and you're not using this, your crap stinks. Technically, all of our crap stink, but if you use DEUCE, then nobody knows that your crap stinks because your crap actually doesn't stink. It smells amazing. Every guy needs a bottle of DEUCE in his bathroom. You also need a pack of wet wipes. Now, the big question is, where the hell do you keep this so that it doesn't like sit on the back of your toilet and look like kind of rough? Grab some type of cool box and inside place the essentials. Take the box, place it on the back of your toilet. This looks a lot more aesthetic, a lot more gentlemanly, and you're gonna get points with the senorita. Hopefully this little tutorial helped. I know Pickle Girl wished she had this video back then because she missed out. Exactly. Gentlemen, don't be Pickle Girl.